Hi, welcome to Assist channel. In this video, I'm going to illustrate to us how do we add additional members to the Assist portal. So to begin, I want to first differentiate between the business user or the suppliers who are submitting invoices to Assist. For those personnel, what we need to provide them is only an email address to submit the documents to Assist. For today's video, I'm going to focus on the personnel who are allowed to log in to the Assist portal. We call them tenant admin or members. And these typically are our team members who are playing the bookkeeping function or people from our finance department. So let's take a look. How do we go about doing this? This is the Assist main interface. To add members, you come under your account, look for setting. You can see members, click on that. So at this moment, I have a few members already. Let's try to add another member. So we click add members over here. So give a name to this member. I'll call him test member. Okay, let me give the email address for this member. And then you can proceed to hit add. So add new member success. So let's take a look let's refresh. So the new member I've added is cloudpress@gmail.com. So when I add a member, at first you'll see that the status is pending. So what happens is this new member has to log on to his email account where he gets an invitation email. He needs to click on that email to activate the account. So let's take a look. So imagine now I've logged on to the email address for CloudPress. So CloudPress received this welcome email. He clicks on it. So this is the activation email. So he has to accept the invitation, accept. And once he's accepted, he'll be able to log on to the Assist portal. So if we now were to check the members who are allowed to access the portal again, so you would see that cloudpress@gmail.com, now he has already accepted the invitation. So that is how you add a new member to access the Assist portal.